before having all kinds of prayer materials such as our rosaries, our prayer books, yung mga stampita at mga medalyon po na mayroon tayo, and maybe you can enumerate and say more of those, the Israelites would have the command of the Lord, yung ating pong narinig sa ating unang pagbasa, on their forehead, at their wrist, at the doorposts, and at their gates during their time. They were pretty obvious for everyone to see. But there is a hope that more than as a daily apparel or a part of their clothing, its obvious symbolism be the same deep and full faith that the heart professes. The obvious outward profession be equally true to what our heart professes. Nowadays, ito po kasi ang mahirap o minsang mahirap pagbalansehin o makita ng bawat isa. Madaming palatandaan o pamamaraan para maparamdam na tayo ay naniniwala sa Diyos, pero iba ang nakikita saan ang tunay na tumatakbo sa ating puso at damdamin. Mapalamuti sa sining sa pananampalataya, pero iba yung tibok at kilos ng puso. Kayang magpakita kung papaanong nananalig, pero deep within, faith was not really part of one's life. When the Lord commanded the Israelites to have the commands of the Lord on their bodies and even on their own houses, He was asking them not only to be obvious on what they profess, but to be obvious of what is really residing in their hearts. And that is their faith to God. The apostles, when they were attempting to free the child, were obvious enough to express their intention to let this child be freed, and to be equally obvious in professing their faith to Jesus. But the action was not enough. What was obvious and seen was not enough. Something from within lacks. Maybe the conviction to be obvious was all out, but the conviction of the faith within is not yet ready. Our creativity and capacity to be expressive and obvious in our faith will be noteworthy. Madami po tayong nakikita nito sa social media, sa church architecture, sa mga bahay, even to our personal and small spaces of encounters with God. With all of these, we do what is obvious and expressive, but let that come from the mustard seed within, the mustard seed of faith within. Maliit man, pero buo yung pananalig, kaya nakapagpapakita ng maganda at nakapagpapakita ng mga dakilang bagay. Hindi yung expressive, pero wala tayong makitang gist of faith and even love for God. What we outwardly profess, may we inwardly believe as well. What we express obviously be rooted from a faith that is true. My dear brothers and sisters, today is Saturday, and we commend ourselves to the Blessed Mother, who in her life made her profession of faith obvious by saying yes to the Lord. Her obvious yes came from a deep faith within. And on our end, as believers as well, as we live out our expressions and obvious faith, let our faith be obvious and expressive because we have the seed within, we have deep faith within.